The crystals I'm working with today are pink lithium. This is beautiful. It's from Colombia, and a piece of transparent or window-like selenite. It's kind of like a sheet. That's what my pink lithium sits on when I'm not physically touching the pieces. And I'll also have a selenite crystal angel near me. So what I'm going to be working on today is curating more crystal kits, and I really wanted to, and I am choosing to come from my heart space rather than just from, my mental thoughts. And yes, I am familiar with these pieces. Pink lithium can help you resolve issues with relationships. And right now I'm just thinking of the relationship I have with my business and creating something special that takes quite a bit of time and wondering if anyone is even going to want them. So the relationship with my confidence and being able to tap into the angel's energy even more by having my selenite angel near me, while the pink lithium quartz is actually sitting on this selenite window. This particular piece of selenite, or this kind of selenite, is from Mexico, and it helps with clarity, settling thoughts, and of course, as selenite does, to clear out negativity. So, self-doubt, wondering if I'm doing it right, choosing the right crystals, that kind of thing. So that's why we're going to be using these guys today. And these two will sit on my left side, which is the energy for coming in, so that I can channel which crystals are going to be intuitively chosen with the help of my selenite angel. And I will probably put them all three together. Let's see if I can show you this. Okay. All right. So just think of these as flat on my desk, and they're going to be like that, facing me. So if they were facing you, they would be like so. Why am I doing this? Because actually I had a thought this morning. I've just started this daily crystal vlog, and being transparent, I am more consciously aware of why I'm connecting with specific crystals, whether it's on my walk or for my work during the day. And I already knew what I was going to be working on today, and I thought, okay, so what? Oh, okay. Pink lithium. High vibe, higher heart, love energy, and relationships. Relationship with myself and the work that I am here to do. And being in direct connection with this beautiful piece of window selenite helps to keep it charged, meaning clear, because crystals do absorb energy from us, and clusters radiate so much energy, like a beam of light or a ray of energy from each and every one of these points. And a crystal cluster reminds me of like a collection of energies. And then the angel to help me remember to ask the angels for help, for their guidance, and then trust. Any of this speak to you today? Check out my crystal book, my crystal boutique, Angel Lady Crystals Boutique. The description has the link. See you next time, beautiful soul.